Very good morning, student. Student, as you know, we have completed constitutions, why and how. The first chapters we are studying, and we have completed some content. What is constitutions? Why do you need constitutions? And what are the function of constitutions? Now today we have understand fundamental identity of people, means the meaning of fundamental identity of people means here is our constitutions gives the Indian citizens or the citizens some identity, means they belong to India, right? First to understand fundamental identity of people meanings. What is the meaning of fundamental identity? The fundamental identities means some norms, rule, laws and regulations written in our constitutions, means one constitutes one basic political identity, and all things are the same for the peoples, right? Written in our constitutions, whatever written in our constitutions about the peoples of India, we can say, right? Those things, whatever the right, whatever the duties provided by the constitutions, that is called fundamental identity of peoples, right? Means constitutions express fundamental identity of people, means people having the political identity, they having some moral values. Moral value means what is good or what is bad, means what is to do and what is not should be done, right? That is the moral values. Means the fundamental identity means the peoples as collectively entity came into being only through the basic constitutions. Means the constitutions norms are primarily framework which one follow the individual ambitions, goals, freedoms. These are the identity of the peoples. Whatever written in our constitutions, right? We can fulfill our ambitions, our goal and our freedom in our constitutions. That is our fundamental identity, right? Means constitution says authoritative commanding control upon what one may or may not do. This is your choice, right? No, the constitution is not enforce you must do that things, right? But we must go through according to the constitutions, right? It defines the fundamental value that we may not encroach, means we have some fundamental duties that we never encroach, means we must follow whatever written in our constitutions. We will not involve ourselves in wrongdoing. That is called the encroach, means, right, encroachment of the constitutions, right? So the constitution also give one moral identity. The moral identity means we never encroach anything, means we never trespass which is not according to our constitutions, means we will not do any illegal activities, right? Any wrongdoings in our society, right? We only follow the moral values, what should do and what should not be do. It represents the value of society, right? So this is the fundamental identity of peoples. Got it, student? I hope you understand it, right? And thank for watching this. Have a great day ahead, and like it, subscribe it,